Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Penn Slammer 3 Spinning Fishing Reel. The Penn Slammer 3 is backed by popular demand. Built for heavy-duty fishing from either boat or shore and trusted by charter captains all over the world. The Slammer 3 reels feature our new IPX6 sealed system which keeps water out of the gear box and drag system. We're also using our updated Slammer drag system which now utilizes our proprietary DuraDrag material. The Slammer 3 comes with an IPX6 water resistance rating, which means that it's protected from powerful splashes from incoming waves. However, it still shouldn't be submerged in the saltwater. It's completely sealed and will handle the occasional full dunk, but just don't leave it underwater for too long. If you get one that's 5,500 or smaller, it'll come with an automatic bail. The larger ones you'll need to close the bail yourself. It comes with Penn's new CNC gear technology and has a crazy 40 pounds of drag for the 5,500 size. If you want a surf fishing reel that's going to put the brakes on big fish and handle a beating, then check this one out. Our second best surf fishing reel is Cast King Sharky Live Liner Surf Reel. This Cast King Sharky is a live liner reel that works well for surf fishing. Cast King reels are popular with freshwater anglers and the reels are rated for saltwater fishing. It is made with a graphite frame, braid-ready aluminum spool, and stainless steel gears. Key features include a carbon fiber drag system. The live liner works by flipping the lever on the back of the reel. There is a separate rear drag for the live liner feature to allow for a proper drag setting based on the bait size and targeted species of fish. The Sharky bait feeder spinning reels have carbon fiber drag washers for up to 12 kilograms of the smoothest fishing reel carbon drag on the fishing tackle market. The Cast King reel features a CNC aluminum shark fin braid-ready spool, high modulus corrosion-free graphite body, and computer-balanced rotor. Also comes with a spare high-strength graphite spool. Lightweight yet powerful for big game saltwater fishing or freshwater fishing. T-grip aluminum handle, CNC machined aluminum shark fin braid-ready spool, stainless steel main shaft. Third in our list is Penn Battle 2 and 3 Spinning Fishing Reel. Battle 2 spinning reels have Penn's Height 100 Versa drag washers keyed into the spool which allows both sides of each drag washer to be used. This gives the Battle 2 higher max drags, more range, and smoother startups than the competition. Durable, high-range spinning reel ideal for conquering big saltwater game fish. Full metal body, side plate, and rotor and heavy-duty aluminum bale wire offer exceptional durability. Multi-stop anti-reverse and ball bearing deliver smooth performance. Fluid cranking with 5 sealed stainless steel ball bearings and instant anti-reverse bearing. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, Mike Rice, Penn Brand Manager, here to talk to you about an exciting new spinning reel. Not exactly new, but a relaunch of the Battle 2. So the original Battle came out quite a few years ago, and we've now made some improvements to the reel I want to talk to you about. But let's start with the sizes. So we've got a 1,000, a 2,000, a new size of 2,500, a 3,000, a 4,000, a 5,000, 6,000, and our biggest size is the 8,000. So 1,000 to 8,000. So think light inshore or really even light freshwater all the way up to near shore, offshore, think sailfish, think dolphin, that type of stuff. So let's talk a little bit about the reel. First of all, on the sizing with the new 2,500, the reel is on the 2,000 size body. It has a new rotor, so a bigger rotor and a bigger spool. So it filled a gap that we had between that 2,000, 3,000 size. So think really technical, lightweight graphite rods, think 10, 15 pound braid. There was a little bit of a gap in our spinning reel lineup for that technical inshore guy, and we've now filled it with a 2,500 size. Really lightweight, balances out really nice on a nice graphite 7-foot rod. In addition to the new size, let's talk a little bit about the features that set this new battle apart. So we've added line capacity rings to the spool. That's something you've seen on all Penn reels for the past few years, so it kind of helps the angler understand how much line they have left on the reel, especially when fishing from a dead boat, big fish. How much line do I have left? Do we need to go? Can we stay? That type of conversation. You have a better idea how much line you have left on the reel because of the line capacity rings. Another thing we did is we keyed the drag washers into the spool. So by keying the drag washers into the spool, and I'm talking about HT100 drag washers, we're now able to use both sides of the drag washer. And I should mention that all Penn drag systems now are grease. On the spinning reels, we use our Penn Blue Lube, which I'm sure you're familiar with. It's inside all our reels. We also grease our HT100 with that for our spinning reel drags. Back to the keying of the drag washers. What that does, by using both sides of the drag washer, we're now able to get about 20% more drag than the previous battle. Not that a lot of people max out the drag, but it's always nice to know you have it if you have to stop a fish heading for cover or that's about to spool you. Another big upgrade in my mind is that we're going to sealed bearings in the battle. So in the past we've used stainless steel shielded ball bearings. That shield protects the race from basically saltwater intrusion. But the sealed ball bearings have an added layer of protection. I mean, it's actually a tight system that prevents saltwater from getting into the bearing. The number one reason reels come back to the repair shop is because saltwater got into a bearing, it dried out, it crystallized, and now the bearing sounds rough and the reel feels rough. By having a sealed bearing, we're able to avoid that situation a little longer than if we were using shielded bearings. It's not 100% sure, but the bearings are sealed from the manufacturer. So that's where we are. We're sticking around the same retail, so basically $99 to $129 on the biggest size. The battle reel will be available at your retailer this fall 2014. Check them out.
Number 4 in our best surf fishing reel list is Okuma Surf Fishing Reel. The Okuma Surf 8K is becoming a popular surf fishing reel. There are high capacity and low capacity tapered spools. I am pretty sure this comes with a lower capacity spool which holds plenty of braided line for surf fishing. The high capacity spool is better when using a monofilament line. This is a good reel to use with braided line and cast far distances. The rotor slowly moves up and down, making the line lay in a way that case with minimal friction. The reel is made with a braid-ready aluminum spool, graphite body. This reel is built for saltwater fishing and has a sealed drag system. Okuma brand new concept of long casting spinning reel, Surf 8K, not only remains Okuma's patent designs such as rotor brake system, rotor with brush guards, quickset anti-reverse system, but also upgrades all functions and parts. Surf 8K equips worm shaft transmission system and super slow oscillation system, make the line wind more straight and tight, reduce the friction when casting. The taper spool for longer casting distance, it's perfect for long casting use at wide water. Our last pick is Okuma Avenger new ABF bait feeder surf reel. This is the latest Okuma Avenger ABF bait feeder reel. The Okuma Avenger reels are very popular among surf fishing and shore fishing anglers. Key features include the bait feeder system, multi-disc oiled felt drag system, precision elliptical gearing, and a computer balanced rotor. The reel is constructed with a graphite body, die-cast aluminum handle, brass pinion gear, and anodized spool. There are 6 size options available for the Avenger ABF reel. Small sizes are great for catching small freshwater fish like crappie, catfish, and hybrid striped bass. Larger sizes are good for ocean fish like striped bass, bluefish, fluke, and small sharks. Avenger bait feeder spinning reels begin at size 20, perfect for baiting trout and panfish on small ponds, lakes and reservoirs. Cast floating trout baits on slip sinkers, fish live minnows under floats for aggressive crappie. This reel is perfect for 4 to 8 pound test line.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!